Hey everybody, this is Cami, and today I'm here with my sister Chloe.
Hey, I'm Chloe.
And today we're going to be doing an international food taste test. And we went to the World Market today. She bought 2 candies and no snack. I bought 1 snack and 1 candy in it. So let's get started. Chloe, what do you want to start with?
I think we should start with the bonbons.
They're strawberry bonbons. I got apple bonbons, and we're going to start with the strawberry ones. These look sour.
They do.
But it's strawberry. I don't think it's going to be that sour.
Okay. So they're just like these little strawberry.
Does this like turn into gum?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Comb.
They are very chewy.
It's a workout. What about the flavor?
Good.
It's very strawberry-like.
It is kind of sour too.
Yeah, but I thought it would be way more sour. I can't tell if this is gum or not.
No. Pretty chewy.
Yeah, it just said chewy candy. So,
Alright. Well, what's next?
I give that a thumbs up. I like that. Next up are these. I got these chips from Hong Kong, and they are Calbee, seaweed, and salt. I'm a little scared to try these, but it looks pretty good. Can you help me open this?
Yes.
They're filled with a lot of air. Let's just use
got it.
Let's smell them. What does it smell like?
Ooh, it smells like
seaweed. It does.
Yeah.
I'm scared that it will be more seaweed than salt. Hey!
Nice
Chloe. These look like those sour cream and onion Lay's chips. Okay, 3, 2, 1. They taste like baked potato chips. I like them.
Alright.
Well, they were made in Japan, so of course things are different.
That's true.
I give it a diagonal thumbs, not a full thumbs, but diagonal. I'm eating those again. Okay, last candy for you.
Shall we try the Pocky Sticks?
We shall. And there's strawberry cream.
Yeah, they're strawberry this time.
Wait, where are these from?
They are from...
They're on the back. Oh. Product of Japan. So, second thing from Japan.
Yeah.
I got the chocolate ones once.
Those are delicious.
Those are great. Oh look, these have the heart shape. Oh, there's 3 packets.
There's like packages in it.
Yeah, there's 3.
Right, so.
That wasn't here last time. Yay.
Alright.
Chloe, look, they're hearts.
Hearts. How cute.
See, look at little hearts. I don't know if you can see. Look at. This smells really good. Okay,
Ready?
go. Mmm.
That's really good.
Cheers. Ding. Thumbs up.
Yeah, 2 thumbs. I'm gonna have another one.
Me too. This is so good. Okay. Last but not least, we have apple bonbons. This looks. I really like this little apple guy on it from France. He looks cute. Let's marry each other. Okay, let's try that. It looks delicious. Oh shoot! I forgot the violet crumble.
Oh.
I'm sorry. We'll make a part 2 of this video and we'll try the violet. Yeah, can you go get it?
Okay, I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh no. Sorry guys, I forgot the violet crumble candy bar. It's in the fridge. Oh. So, I'm sorry you guys. Hurry up. I'm sorry. She'll be back in a second. Here she is. Okay, good. Okay, so let's try the apple bonbons. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Very chewy.
Just like the last one. I like this one a little better. I would have another one when I'm done, but it'll take forever for us to chew. I give that a thumbs up.
Me too.
Woo! Sorry guys, if our bell kind of broke, so we can't use the bell anymore.
Jamie stepped on it.
Yeah, it hurt. Next we have Violet Crumble, and I think this is from Australia. Okay, so let's open it up. It looks like a Butterfinger. Here, I'll break you a piece. We just took it out of the fridge, so they really mean it when it says crumble. Okay, ready? Go.
Oh. That's really good.
This is like a really chewy, well, crunchy, I meant, Butterfinger. It's so good. Jeez, it kind of went flying all over the place when I broke it. I give you a huge piece. I did not mean to break it off that big. Jeez, this really crumbled.
Hence the name, Violet Crumble.
Well, that's it for today, you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Let's say goodbye.
Bye.
Make sure to subscribe or give it a thumbs up, and see you guys later. Bye.